Hey guys, welcome back to Guide Glimpse. In today's video, let me teach you on how to make a blog page on Google Sites. Let's start this tutorial by opening Google Sites and then log into your Google account. Once you're on the main dashboard of Google Sites, simply create your blog page by clicking the plus sign button to create a blog page from scratch, or you can choose a template that you want in the template gallery. Once you're in the site's editor page, add the site name that you want. For example, let's just put this CyberQuest Gaming. Next, you can add your logo for the branding. After that, enter your page title. Let's just put this example title for now. On the right hand side, you can see the editing screen where you can insert different elements such as adding text box, images, embed URL, and then content blocks to level up your blog page. You can also add themes and customize it to your liking by changing the font style and then changing the color that suits your taste. Now familiarize yourself and explore the tools that are available here. And once you're done, click the publish button at the top right. And there you go. Your blog page is now created on Google Sites. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.